everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the fifth session of our unit, Social Linguistics. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for you who already actively participate in our discussion forum in the last session, which is session 4. It's about politeness and factors that affect politeness. So thank you so much, guys. I will respond to your post as soon as possible. And also, I would like to inform to you that I already finished grading all the assignments for social linguistics. So please kindly check your score and my feedback for you. If you still have any questions about my score or about my feedback, you can just chat me in e-learning, okay? Nah, in this session, we will talk about language variety in English language teaching in ELT ya. Okay, nah to give you like basic basic understanding of these materials, you can read our model, which is model 5. It's about language transfer and ELT, and the link to the BMP is already attached in our session 5. So please kindly click the link, and then the link will guide you to our BMP in our RBVOT. Oke, kemudian as usual ada forum kehadiran, so please make an entry to your own attendance. Okay, kemudian we have a video here. It's about varieties of English. So please watch the video and then understand all the materials inside this video. Kemudian ada juga materials in the form of PDF entitled Social Linguistics and Language Teaching. Kemudian ada language transfer and varieties in ELT in the form of PowerPoint. Nah, in this session, in addition to our discussion, so the discussion is about why do you think an English teacher should learn about social linguistics? Kemudian, how can a social linguistic approach help teachers understand language variation, dialects, accent, kemudian politeness strategies, and code switching in the classroom. Nah, bagaimana teori-teori sosial linguistik itu bisa membantu guru untuk memberikan pemahaman kepada siswanya tentang language variation, code switching, politeness, and etc. In what ways can social linguistics improve student engagement, communication skills, and cross-cultural awareness in learning English? So please explain these 3 questions by using your own words. Nah, so for example, like you quote from a source, from a reference, please state the reference ya. Jadi misalkan you take theory from Darsina's book, please put in a bracket Darsina and the year. So for example, like Darsina 2005. In that way, you can avoid plagiarism. So you give credit to the owner of this writing, certain theories. So you don't do plagiarism by mentioning the name of the writer and then the year of the work is published. Okay, in addition to discussion, we have our second assignment in this session. Okay, let me explain the questions one by one in this task. So we have 4 questions here in our second assignment. The first is, what are positive and negative politeness? Nah, to answer this question, please watch the video in session 4 about politeness theory in session 4. Okay. Kemudian pertanyaan yang kedua, what are the parameters of politeness? Give the example of parameters that you have mentioned. Nah, jadi disebutkan, kemudian elaborasi, kemudian dikasih contoh. To answer this question, please repeat PowerPoint in session 4. Kemudian the third question is mention the instrument of politeness and give the example of each instrument based on your local culture. Nah, ini juga bisa find the explanation in our PowerPoint in session 4. Kemudian ada the last question. In your point of view, what is the problem of teaching English as an international language? So, based on the theory of social linguistics, what do you think would be the problems of teaching English in Indonesia? Okay, I think everything is clear. If you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me through my email, or you can just simply chat me in the website. I think it's simpler to chat me in the website, right? Okay, I think that's all. Thank you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good luck for your discussion and assignment in this session. Goodbye.